Hey guys, what we have here is a 1970 Cutlass dressed up as a 442. Beautiful set of wheels with brand new tires, brand new exhaust. Motor was rebuilt, completely brand new paint job, and the paint shows extremely well. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and open up the hood. Take a look at the front grille and the side. It's straight, there's no waves. Engine, powered by a 455, a set of headers, power disc brakes up front. You see the MSD ignition. It fires up without manipulating the throttle, so I can get in there right now, which is what I'll do. And this is hot or cold. No foot on the brake or gas. Fires right up. Let me go behind it so you can hear it. Take a look at the door panels when I get back there. And then all the nice. Sounds unbelievable. Extremely healthy. All the body lines are great. Take a look at the interior. Dash is in excellent shape. Let me get to the engine again. But if you're looking for a turnkey cruiser, I got you covered over here. I'm sorry about the quality of the video. Our marketing guy, Yasid, is in Japan having the time of his life. So listen to this. Extremely healthy. Give us a call if you have any questions. 954-363-2261. Have a great day.